let's talk about the 3 crystal allies for July, each one supporting a different part of our align, release, and anchor framework. To help us align, we have Tiger's Eye. Tiger's Eye is one of the most powerful stones for confidence, courage, and decisive action. It activates the solar plexus chakra, which is the energy center in the body that governs personal power and self-confidence, making it a natural fit for month 8 call to step forward. Tiger's Eye helps you trust yourself, take action, and move forward with clarity even when uncertainty is present. Hold it before making decisions. Keep it nearby when working towards your goals, or carry it on days when you need a boost of confidence and inner strength. Tiger's Eye reminds you that your power is real and it is ready to be expressed. To help us release, we have Jade. Jade supports balance, wisdom, and grounded decision-making, making it a powerful ally for releasing the fear-based choices and scarcity thinking that can block you from stepping into month 8's energy. Hold it when you feel hesitation creeping in. Keep it nearby when reflecting on a decision, or use it to reconnect with a calm, clear mindset when doubt starts to take over. And here's what makes Jade especially fitting for July. It is also one of the most well-known stones of abundance and prosperity. So while it helps you release what blocks abundance, it also carries that abundant energy within it. This month, Jade does double duty. To help us get anchored, we have Citrine. Citrine is known as the merchant stone for good reason. It carries the energy of abundance, confidence, success, and manifestation, and it is one of the most powerful crystals for anchoring the belief that prosperity is not just possible, it is available to you right now. Citrine supports self-worth, positive empowered action, and the kind of optimistic energy that keeps you moving toward your goals even when progress feels slow. Keep it in your workspace or somewhere you take consistent action. Hold it while setting goals or intentions, or use it as a daily reminder that you are capable of creating abundance in your life. Citrine reminds you that success is not something reserved for other people. It's something you get to have as well. There is more than enough for everyone. If you missed the full monthly numerology video for July, make sure you go back and watch that now so you can get the entire picture of how to work with this month's energy. Sending you love, light, and healing.